The arrival of Vasco da Gama in Calicut, India on dash. Answer is 1498. Diu was the colony of the dash. Answer is Portuguese. In 1612, Dash established a trading post in Gujarat. Answer is British. In 1614, Sir Thomas Roe was instructed by Dash to visit the court of Jahangir, the Mughal Emperor of India. Answer is James I. In 1661, the company obtained Dash from Charles II. Answer is Bombay. In 1650, Gabriel Buckton, an employee of the company, obtained a license for trade in Dash. Answer is Bengal. Year of the Battle of Plassey is Dash. Answer is 1757. Year of the Battle of Vandivas is Dash. Answer is 1760. Year of the Battle of Buxar is Dash. Answer is 1764. Warner Hastings was appointed as the governor of Dash in 1772. Answer is Bengal. Regulating Act was in the year of Dash. Answer is 1773. Hyder Ali was the ruler of Dash. Answer is Mysore. Mahe was the colony of Dash. Answer is French. In November 1781, Sir Ayre Cote defeated Dash at Portanova. Answer is Hyder Ali. The Treaty of Mangalore was in the year of Dash. Answer is 1784. Seringapatnam was the capital of Dash. Answer is Tipu Sultan. The Fourth Dash War was the short duration, decisive, and ended with Tipu's death on May 4, 1799. Answer is Anglo-Mysore. The Treaty of Sultan was in the year Dash. Answer is 1775. Treaty of Rajpura Ghat was signed on December 25, 1805 between Holkar and Dash. Answer is British. The company was granted an English royal charter under the name Governor and Company of Merchants of London trading into the East Indies by Dash on 31st December 1600. Answer is Elizabeth I. Under the Government of India Dash, the British Crown assumed direct administration of India in the new British Raj. Answer is Act of 1858. Defeat of the Spanish Armada in Dash. The answer is 1588. The English East Company achieved a major victory over the Portuguese, the Battle of Dash in 1612. Answer is Swali. The 7 Years' War 1756 to 1763 resulted in the defeat of the Dash forces. Answer is French. Robert Clive, the Governor General of the Dash. Answer is British.